How it is going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon White. In the last episode, we started our journey in the Unova region and picked our starter, Snivy the Asami, and I off-screen grinded up to level 9. And in this episode, we are going to continue our journey in the Unova region. So we are at Accumulator now. Hey, Hilbert, there you are. Traveling with your Pokemon is truly one of the joys of being a trainer. Please follow me. I would like to show you the most important place for your trainer to know. This is a Pokemon Center. Don't you feel better as you step through the door? Okay, this is not some story related stuff. We already know this. Okay, let's start to Nurse Joy, the doctor. Okay, I don't care about your dialogue. I wanna care about story stuff. I just ate food. I just took my breakfast. So yeah. Also, I hope you guys are liking the second screen. Okay. Sounds like something going on in the plaza. Well, let's have a little look see. What is happening? Hilbert, come here a sec. Let me take a screenshot. Yes. My name is Getsis. I am here representing Team Plasma. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to talk to you about Pokemon Liberation. Huh? What? I am sure most of you believe that we humans and Pokemon are partners that have come to live together because we want and need each other. However, is that really the truth? Have you ever considered perhaps we humans? I know this story climax, but I never read the dialogue. Have you ever considered that perhaps we humans only assume that is the truth? Pokemon are subject to the selfish comments of trainers. They get pushed around when they are our partners at work. Can anyone say with confidence that there is no truth in what I'm saying? No way. Yikes. I don't know. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Pokemon are different from humans. They are living beings that can unlock potential. They are living beings from whom we humans have much to learn. Tell me, what is our responsibility to these wonderful beings called Pokemon? What could it be? Liberation? That's right. We must liberate the Pokemon. Then and only then will humans and Pokemon truly be equals. Everyone, I end my words here today by imploring your consider to the relationship between people and Pokemon and the correct way to proceed. We sincerely appreciate your attention. Okay. About that speech, what do you think we should do? Liberate Pokemon? That's not even possible. You are Pokemon. Just now, it was saying. Slow down! You talk too fast! Huh? What's about Pokemon talking? That's an odd thing to say. Yes, they're talking. Oh, then you two can't hear it either? How sad. My name is Sharon and this is Hilbert. We were asked to complete the Pokédex and we just left our journey. My main goal is to become the champion though. The Pokédex? Huh? So you're going to confine many Pokemon and Pokeballs for that? Then I'm a trainer too, but I can help wandering a Pokemon. Really happy that way. Well, Hilbert, is it? Let me heal your Pokemon voice again. Here we go. Hilbert versus Pokemon trainer. Yeah, and our third rival of this game. Let's go, Asami. Let's go for Vine Whip. Also, it learned Vine Whip. What is our nature? We are doing so little damage. But we cared properly anyway. Yes, Asami learned, bro. As long as Pokemon are confined in Pokeballs, Pokemon will never become perfect beings. I have to change the world for Pokemon because they are my friends. Huh, strange guy, but I'm not going to worry about it. trainers and Pokemon help each other out. Listen, I'm going ahead. I want to battle gym leader in the next town, Starter City, which is a fire type gym leader. Based on your starter, they'll have a type. So yeah. Aim to the battle gym leader after gym leader. The best way for a trainer to become stronger is to challenge the gym leaders in each area. Okay, now that's out of the way. I'm not adding any new team members to our party just now because I'm gonna switch up our team so often in this playthrough. The extensive cross transfer. Hilbert, it's your mom. How are things? Are you and your Pokemon sitting along and enjoying your journey so far? I need to talk to you, so I called, but I'm going to hang up. The cross store now. Hilbert, I finally caught up with you, and look how far you came already. Professor Jennifer said, oh, this is not it. We got the running shoes. Finally, we got the running shoes. I waited for it for the last episode. Is she a trainer? No. Oh, strength. We found a potion. So, okay. Nice. No, this guy is not a trainer. Also, I will try to not as much as lower level as possible. So, as I was saying, I will be try to over. We are running low on health. Okay, guys, let's continue. Oh, hi, Hilbert. Hey, listen, let's have a Pokemon battle, please. The Pokemon I got have become a little stronger. Ready or not, here I come. Here we go. Hilbert versus Bianca. Nice to see you, my little lady. Also, healed up. Let's go, Wine Whip. Auto Salute. Let's go, Wrap. Tackle. Wine Whip. Tackle. Baby Lillipup. Oshawott. Wine Whip to your face. Oshawott. Water gun. No. That's why I saved PP on Wine Whip. It's your friend too. And Asami grew to level 12. Oh, I don't win. Ooh, you're a tough cookie, Hilbert. I'm gonna work hard on training my Pokemon, so we won't lose anymore. Okay, bye bye. So yeah, we officially reached Striaton City. I can't wait for Nimbasa City. The Nimbasa City's music is so cool, man. Okay, we are only 7 minutes in this episode. So let me pick up an Pokemon for the next. Man, those Purloins are annoying as hell. Growth. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, I defeated trainer and let's pick up that item. So since I said we are gonna get another not so team member, but who gonna help us defeating Charan for some time and the gym leader. Let's talk to this lady. Hey, what the first Pokemon is? Snivy, really the Panpour could be a big help. Yes, we got the Panpour. Yes, I'm gonna name it. No. I'm gonna name it Simon or Sion. Okay guys, I named it Simon. So yeah, I named it Simon, which is kinda okay, and we are only 9 minutes in this episode. Let's look at our Simon. Okay, we have Adamant Nature and Adamant Nature Simon. It's Screech Leak Water Gun. Adamant Nature is kinda oof. And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Let's play Pokemon White. Peace out.